Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 Mazda Tribute Classic, stock reference number 4061. This shape runs from the second month 2001 through to the 6th month 2006. It has an AJ 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. AJ 3-litre V6 petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has a couple of small dents, right-hand headlight, bonnet mould, radiator grille, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with factory 16-inch 5-spoke alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with the bald tyre. Left-hand tail light. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage apart from one small tiny little dent. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with bald tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, column shift automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 145,000 kilometres, and a cruise type steering wheel in a black vinyl. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.